Hey everyone, it's Wake Angel 2001 here. It is Friday, April 26th, which is the day that the Knuckles series dropped on Paramount Plus. I cannot seem to retain the name of that streaming service for some reason. Paramount Plus, and I have indeed watched the series. This isn't going to be a vlog video about it. I want to give it a couple days to settle in. Suffice to say, my quick 5-second opinion of it is, it's 3 really good episodes of a Knuckles solo adventure. Unfortunately, the show is 6 episodes long. So, I'll let you marinate in that for the next couple days. Not a bad series, not by any stretch of the imagination, but there were just issues. I'll get on that later. This is an unboxing video! Yes, this isn't for customs or anything. This is from my friend Zack. He lives in another part of the country where he has access to Walmarts and more Targets than I do. And in general, his area gets stuff in stock way before the stores here do. So he was able to find some stuff that I've been wanting to find for a long time and have been having trouble. And Zack, you gotta stop folding up the box lids these way. This is not how you do it. You put the 2 short flaps down and you put the 2 long flaps on top and you tape that. You don't do this weird cross thing. That's how you keep a box closed without tape temporarily. It's not how you're supposed to mail it. It makes it really hard to cut the tape to open the box. I know that's a really silly pedantic thing to complain about, considering all the awesome stuff he's done for me over the years. But, you know, like, it's just a consistent inconvenience. Get it. Yeah, because now I got, instead of there only being 2 points to cut the tape, now there's 4. Okay, we got it. I don't got it because the tape is holding the flaps to each other. Aha! Okay. Okay. Alright, I get why you wanted me to do the unboxing now. Snooping as usual, I see. Alright. Everybody remembers that that snooping line is one of the most popular things to get itself cut up to have him for the YouTube poops, and was even referenced in OKKO. This package contains Yosh. So there's 2 Eggmen. Actually, there's 3, because there's another one on the side. This one really does look like an egg. And the other side just says Yosh. I know Yosh is the thing that he says when he pets a Chow in Sonic Adventure 2. That's his sound of affection. Apparently, at least, I don't know why there's a Big Bad Toy Store sticker in this box, because the stuff he sent me was not ordered from Big Bad Toy Store. Maybe something he ordered from Big Bad Toy Store, and he just kept the box. Alright. So there was a second box inside the first box, and that is the box I am opening now. Oh god, why is there so much tape? Oh, Zack, you're killing me! I'm gonna die of tape poisoning. Okay. Now now we have the box open, and there are bags from Target. I'm surprised that his region still uses plastic bags for Target, because all my Targets have switched to canvas bags. Okay. So, item number 1. Legacy Silverbolt. I am so happy to have Bird Wolf with me. Okay, my favorite character on Beast Wars was Air Razor, but she died at the end of the first season. So, from the season 2 onward, I need to have a different favorite character, and it was Silverbolt. I loved everything about this little white knight guy. And it, you know, like from his personal nature being decided by the fact that he was just a combination of 2 of the most stereotypically noble creatures, to his never-ending quest to gain the affections of Blackarachnia, which, all these years later, I realize was the first time I ever became invested in a Convert the Tsundere story arc. So yeah, this is going to be awesome. Love Silverbolt. And, of course, the real meat of this box, ba-bam! Heavy King! Ah, yes, the leader of the hard-boiled heavies. Heavy King walks tall and carries a big scepter. And as you can see, another version of Sonic is in this, as well as the single release of Classic Knuckles and Metal Sonic 3.0. He didn't send me a Metal 3.0. I think one of my near commissioners is going to be sending a Metal 3.0 to get customized soon. So, you know, I'll have the review for it then. And yeah, Heavy King looks significantly more different from an Egg Robo than the other hard-boiled heavies do. Look forward to the review for this one. What else is in the box? Because that was really only half of the contents. Oh! Yes! Little cardboard box which contains the 2.5-inch version of the Egg Robo. I actually forgot about this. It doesn't have the gun. the Jakks Pacific version had a gun. The Jazzwares version had the gun. And you know what? Elbows. I think this is like only the second figure from the 2.5-inch line to have elbow joints. The first one being Dr. Eggman. So, yeah, there's that. Yeah, this is actually... Yeah, this is a really cool little figure. It's about the same size as the ones made by Jazzwares, but it is so much better. Better paint job, better posability, better sculpting. Yeah, we'll do a little review of this one too, because it deserves its own video for being the cool thing that it is. Okay. Is this all just packing fluff, or is this something else that is for me? There is, quite frankly, an irresponsible amount of plastic in here. Oh, yes, there is something that's wrapped up in bubble wrap here, so there is something else in this box. Oh, stuff. Oh, yeah! It is a Jazzwares 4-inch Eggman figure. Yes, he got lucky and found one for a good price on eBay, I believe he said. But it has some scuffs. So he wanted me to just go over it with a paintbrush and fix the little issues that it has. But looking at it, I actually don't see what he's talking about. Yeah, this figure is in nearly perfect shape. I'm holding it up in such a way that my light that I'm casting on myself is illuminating it. I guess it's a little dirty. Maybe I can wash it a little. I don't know. I'll discuss this with Zack later. Maybe he can point out where he saw the flaws and I can fix them once I know that they are. And then this is all just more plastic bags, which was used as packing material. Okay, so that completes the whirlwind tour of all the stuff that Zack sent me. So look forward to reviews of Hard-Boiled Heavy 2.5-inch Egg Robo, and of course the one and only Silverbolt. This is Wake Angel 2001, and I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get back to the camera to turn this off.